So apparently, witches are supposed to be nothing but love, light, forgiveness, healing, peace, positivity, and good vibes. Meanwhile, somebody's out here lying on your name, stealing your energy, texting your ex, and acting surprised when witches start Googling sour jars at 2 a.m. Like, there's only so many times a person can say, I'm sending love and light before eventually upgrading to, you know what? Hold this vinegar. And let's be honest, every witch has had at least one moment where they've looked at a lemon and thought, you are about to become something bigger than yourself. But this is exactly why shadow work matters, because there's a huge difference between protecting your peace and becoming emotionally sponsored by chaos. And honestly, some people don't need a curse, they need therapy, boundaries, and maybe to stop stalking tarot readings about their ex 17 times a day. So tonight on Witch Talk Live, we're talking about baneful magic, spiritual ethics, sour jars, shadow work, and the darker side of witchcraft nobody talks about. So come join us live tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before somebody ends up in the freezer.